I'm in front of Ona Garden Lago Hotel in Mallorca. I need to say it is unplanned trip here, so we book everything last minute. I need to say I wouldn't choose this hotel otherwise, but it might surprise me. I'm not going to judge it yet because I did not check in, but yeah, it's not my usual style. However, it's 5 of us. We book a 2-bedroom apartment with half board. I will let you the price at the end of the video, but for now let's check in.
Hi travelers, I am Matt and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
We got our room as actually like a 2-bedroom flat, which is perfect in a top floor. I will show you everything in a second. Let's go. So from the main door you have this utility room, which is perfect. And continue. You have some information about air condition. First room is here. It's small, little bit dated, but it's fine. There is just one small wardrobe here. First bathroom with a shower, toilet and shower. Definitely it can be cleaned better, and it's all right. Even here, it's 3-star hotel, so I understand it's not too bad, but I might be a little bit picky, so yeah, I can spot everything. And here is a kitchen, which is big plus. Even we have a half board breakfast and dinner. It's really good to have a kitchen if we want to have some snacks or something. And well equipped. Everything is here. One thing which I want to mention while I'm here in a kitchen, you need to clean it after yourself when you are leaving. Plus you need to take all rubbish, which is kinda, yeah, it's still hotel. I know it's 3-star, but yeah. Alright, I will tell you price at the end of the video and you can judge it if it's worth or not. Let's continue. So here is a living room, a sofa. It can be turned to bed, so it's up to 2 adults can sleep here in a sofa. TV and the main bedroom here. This is actually really nice. I really like it. And big wardrobe. There is actually a surprise inside. Small TV. Nice. And a bathroom here. This time with a bath. Again, as I mentioned, cleaning. Oh yeah, it's a issue here a little bit. And let's continue to see the biggest plus of this apartment. And it's here. It's a balcony. Yeah. Nice big balcony. Everybody is here already, and we have actually swimming pool view. And this is not the only balcony. We have a rooftop. Let's check it. A sun terrace. Amazing. I can imagine like a hot tub here. It would be perfect. Absolutely ideal. Absolutely ideal, yeah. Wow. I love this outdoor part of the apartment. It's not too bad indoor. As I mentioned, I will tell you a price and you can say if you think it's good or not. Nice view. It is approximately 15 minutes walk from a beach, which is not too bad as well. And I will show you the rest of the resort later. One very important and very interesting information here in a hotel. So they are doing cleaning just once per week. We are here for 4 nights, so we have one cleaning, and it's actually in the middle of our stay. And because we have some stuff, it's my pajamas and one extra t-shirt, so they did not clean our bed. They did not change our linen, so they left us clean towels and clean linen if we want to change it ourselves, which is very interesting. The pool should be open from 9 till 7. It's already 10 o'clock and it's still closed. It is not the same how it actually looks like on pictures. Definitely not, and it's old. Here is a restaurant. Hello, I am leaving this hotel. First thing first, I have kinda love-hate relation with Mallorca, but I don't want this review to be affected by that. Like accommodations here, it doesn't matter if you are looking for hotels or apartments, it's really expensive. So one of the reasons why we choose this accommodation, as I mentioned, it was last minute trip, but also the reason was a price. We paid £700 for 5 adults, 2-bedroom apartment with half board, which is alright. I'm not going to like say it's for 4 days actually. So it's alright, it's not too bad, but I would not say this is a hotel. Even it is 3 stars, you need to clean after yourself. At one point I understand, because all these are apartments, so if people are cooking or people are drinking here, there is lots of rubbish, and it would be really hard to take all this rubbish by like cleaners. But then it shouldn't called a hotel, even it's like 3 stars hotel. And as I mentioned in a video, there was a problem with cleaning. They clean just one per week, so it's again like a apartment, not like a hotel. Actually, food was really good. We had one night when we did not really like a food, but apart from that it was kind of alright. Another negative is location. It's far from a sea, so if you want to be by the beach, definitely don't book it. You probably need a car, because one bus stop is like a 7 minutes walk, but another where you can reach most of the Mallorca is like 15-18 minutes walk. Nearby there is a shop, so if you want to do grocery, which is really good, it's actually really nice shop, you can get everything there. Pool is alright, it's open kinda like it should open at 9 o'clock, but it's usually later than that. Yeah, that's it probably from this stay. Would I stay here again? Probably not. It's not my cup of tea. I understand it might be good for people who are looking for a cheaper option, or who wants to be like a little bit far away from action and they want to have a quiet holiday. It might be good, but yeah, this wasn't my cup of tea. That's it for today. Hopefully you like the video. If you do, please smash like button or consider subscribing. And for now, take care, stay safe, and see you later.